Welcome to this course about using Spring and Angular for web application. I am Mario Romano and I have been using Angular since its beta version. I have daily experience on building Angular and Spring applications. In this course, we will learn how to use Angular and Spring 5 to create a fully working messaging notification web application. We will focus on the practical aspects of these two frameworks, using real-life examples to explain every concept. The first section of this course is about front-end technologies. In this part, you will learn advanced concepts of Angular like routing, observable, material design, and how to test your components. Moving to the second section, we will focus on the backend part. At the end of it, you will know how to use Spring Boot to build a WebSocket notification service with Spring 5 and how to test it. In the third section, we will bring together the concepts of the previous two sections to create a messaging notifications application. And the last section is going to be about tools that will help you to CI, publish and maintain your applications in production. The prerequisite software for these sections are a Java IDE, a TypeScript HTML compatible IDE, have the latest Node.js installed on your machine, a Java JDK 8 installed, and the kind of concept that you will need to know before starting are a basic knowledge of Java, a basic knowledge of Angular and concepts like component and service, TypeScript knowledge, and HTML knowledge. The goals for this course are to teach you, for the front-end part, what is Angular, the Angular CLI, routing, observable, subject, material design, and Jasmine, but also what are the new features in Angular 5. For the backend part, are to teach you what is Spring 5, Spring Boot 2, Flux, WebSocket, and how to unit test your application. And then learn how to build a messaging notification application with Angular and Spring 5, give you some concept about WebSocket, continuous integration, and code coverage, and in the end, show you some tools like NPM, Istanbul, Jacoku, Travis, GitHub Pages, and Heroku.